Welcome to Horace Tech Journey.
This is your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and skill development.
Welcome to my Project Zero submission for CS50's web programming course. In this demonstration, I'll walk you through my implementation of a Google Search clone that includes three main components: a standard search page, an image search feature, and an advanced search interface. Each component is designed to mirror Google's functionality while maintaining their signature aesthetic. Let's explore each feature in detail. There are navigation links in the upper right corner, allowing users to switch between Google Search, image search, and advanced search pages. Here, I enter a search query, click Google Search, and it takes me to the Google Search results page. I highlight the design consistency, showcasing the rounded search bar, centered buttons, and Google's overall aesthetics. On the image search page, I enter a query, click Search, and it redirects me to the Google image search results. Here, I demonstrate the four input fields for advanced search, ensuring they are vertically stacked and left-aligned, just like Google's own layout. I click the blue Advanced Search button, which redirects to the correct Google search results based on the input fields. Clicking the I'm Feeling Lucky button takes me directly to the Google's Doodles Google page.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.